Hey guys, Josh here with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm standing in front of a recently delivered Bennington 22MFB. This is a beautiful boat. It's the M series. Got it with the blackout Lux package. So we've got the black rub rail and the black anodized aluminum rails on the paneling. This is in metallic silver. This is a tritoon with the SPS package. Let's walk around back and we can show you some more. Guys, here at the back of the boat, we have this beautiful extended aft deck. Gives lots of space for getting on and off the boat whenever you're out swimming. We've also got this beautiful lily pad ladder. This thing works great to deploy and retrieve. It's super easy. It's spring assisted, super wide steps. This boat is paired with the YAMAHA 150 horsepower motor with the stainless steel Reliance prop. We've also got a really great ski tow bar to pull the kids on the tube. Let's hop aboard and look inside. Hey guys, welcome aboard the 22MFB. Here in the front, we've got the two chase lounges. This is in a gorgeous graphite color with a Mythos gray Simtex accent. Got the diamond stitching in these seats, fold down armrests. It's a great area up front for entertaining. You've got your table here that's removable, so if you want to have some snacks or have some lunch, it's a great place to sit. Here at the helm, we've got Bennington's new Vivid UX screen here for all of your digital display. We've also got a Garmin Echo map. We've got soft touch buttons in your Rockford Fosgate audio. Really comfortable captain's chair here. The binnacle's right there at your armrest height, so it's super easy to use. We've got some extra storage here in the side of the console. We've also got a little lockable storage area there by the cup holder and the key. Great for putting your wallet or keys if you're going to go visit a restaurant there out there on the water. Got a really comfortable co-captain's chair, flip-up table here. Here in the back, we have your stern radius seating. So more great seating to hang out. You can lounge rearward as you watch the kids on the tube or just hang out in the sun. Speaking of the sun, if you want to get out of the sun, we've got a really great 10-foot bimini here. That's a manual bimini, covers a lot of the boat. If you guys have any questions about this boat or would like to come see it in person, stop by our Greenville, South Carolina showroom or give us a call.